Let's sing a song.
Is it a tiger?
Yes, it is.
Is it a lion?
No, it isn't. Is it an elephant?
Yes, it is.
Is it a monkey?
No, it isn't.
Is it a giraffe?
Yes, it is.
Is it a zoo?
Zoo, zoo, zoo.
Zoo. Let's go. Look, the elephant has a long trunk. Elephant. Elephant. The giraffe's neck is long. Giraffe. Giraffe. The lion is roaring. Lion. Lion. The monkey is hanging from the tree. Monkey. Monkey. The tiger is eating meat. Tiger. Tiger.
Review.
Elephant. Giraffe. Lion. Monkey. Tiger.
Let's play a game.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! Lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Elephant. Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe. Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are so funny. Monkey. Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger. Tiger. Tigers are fierce. Tiger.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to read Animals at the Zoo, written by Bronwyn Tanwin and illustrated by Louise Gardner and published by Oxford University Press. Look, a green lion, said Sam. Oh, what? Said Grandad. Look, a yellow elephant, said Sam. A what? Said Grandad. Look, a blue monkey, said Sam. A what? Said Grandad. Look, a red bear, said Sam. A what? Said Grandad. Look, a blue and red tiger, said Sam. Don't be silly, said Grandad. Grandad did not look.